Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Alright, so what's good YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Son, who's my son? 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 Who's my son?
And we're back with another video. What's up guys? What's going on? How's everyone doing? I hope all is well to whoever's tuning in, checking me out today. Today we're here to take a look at the Air Jordan 12 Field Purple. Now, if you are brand new to the channel, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below, as we are 189 subscribers away from 7,000, man. Never thought the day I would reach it, man. But if you guys can do me a favor, please do yourself a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. Also, today's video is brought to you by J&M Sneakers. If you don't know who they are, you're not familiar with them, I'll leave the links in the description down below. Make sure you check them out. Give them a follow on IG. If you decide to purchase anything from them, please let them know your man, the son of some man, has sent you. And I'm sure they'll take extra good care of you. Also, guys, if you're brand new, or if you're not brand new and you haven't done so yet, just hit that little notification bell down below. It'll notify you every time we drop a brand new video around here. And me personally, I like to keep it consistent. So please do me a favor, hit that notification bell down below. All right, guys, getting right into the shoe. Now, we have seen Jordan Brand doing this, you know, over the past couple of years, dishing out some PEs. Now, for all you youngins out there who have no idea what this colorway is, I didn't at first either. I had to do my own little research, even though I've watched this guy play on the court since I'm a small child. But this is a Gary Payton player edition when he was on the Los Angeles Lakers. Because if you are familiar with Gary Payton, you know that he was, you know, a nemesis with what's that, Sean Kemp on the Supersonics, on the Seattle Supersonics, which I believe he has some dope PEs in that colorway as well. But also, this colorway is not the only colorway. I believe they had a white and yellow. I believe they have a white and purple as well. I'm not too sure on, you know, how many PEs Gary Payton actually has, but I know there's a few out there, and we're starting to see them come to light, man. Really dope, man. And I'm really not the craziest fan on 12s, but these I think are pretty dope, man. But anyway, guys, make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video, because we do have an on-foot review for you guys. So make sure you click that like button. Make sure you smash that subscribe button too, man. We are closing in on 7,000 subscribers. But anyway, guys, without further ado, let's jump into today's review. All right, you know how we do it over here on the channel, guys. We always start off with the outsole. Now, as you can see where I'm getting this Laker theme from, you see the purple, you see the yellow, you see the black. Everything is just, you know, mending well together. Really nice, really dope. The carbon fiber plate underneath is yellow and black. Very dope. You got a little yellow here on the 23. With your black Jumpman here, turning around, taking a look at the midsole. As we know, Air Jordan 12, the midsole is, you know, foam. Also, we have four different types of materials. And you know how hard it is to actually match, you know, the purples. As I did a review on this, you know, beauty right here, the Brilliant Orange 12s. As you can see, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, they're all different, and you can see the colors definitely differ. Look at this color, you know, the color, you know, the matching of the colors. I think they did a great job with it on here, you know, on the field purple. At first I thought these were court purple. I'm not gonna lie. All right, guys, as far as material goes, it is not the best, it's not the worst. I've seen better, I've seen worse, you know what I mean? But I really think for $200, because that's what they're retailing these at for, man, I really think they should, you know, at least give you some halfway decent material. Now, like I said, the material is not that bad, but it's not that great anyway. Maybe you got to break them in. They're a little bit stiffer. Anyway, taking a look at the side here, you got your Jumpman plate in purple. Obviously, this is plastic as well. As you can see, you have the overlay in purple as well. It's reptilian skin. Kind of looks like a basketball skin to me, but it is what it is. Taking a look at the toe box, we have an all black toe box with the leather. Like I said, maybe as you know it ages and progresses, you know, the leather gets softer, but whatever. All right, guys, moving up the tongue, you have the 2-3 in purple, as well as an embroidered purple Jumpman at the top of the tongue. As you notice, we have black rope laces. Now, don't get too excited on the eyelets because they're plastic, they're not gold. Well, they're not metal, pardon me, you know, they would never put gold on a shoe. But yeah, man, that's basically pretty much it. You see, that's what I really don't like. I don't like the, you know, the plastic hits. It kind of gives me that cheap Chinese feel. No offense. Taking a look at the inside of the shoe, basically what's going on the inside goes on the outside. Just replicating it on the inside. You got your plastic overlay here, also with your leather overlay over here as well. Now, as for the back of the shoe, which is personally my favorite on the Jordan 12, you got the 23 in black, and also you got the, you know, Jordan, you got the Jumpman in that yellow golden color. Also, it says quality inspired by the greatest player ever. Remember that, ladies and gentlemen, the greatest player ever. But, you know, as far as my concern is, I think I will be picking up this pair. Please let me know down in the comment section if you're going to be picking up this pair. And remember what I said, make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video because you're going to be getting that on foot review. But guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in. It is 6 a.m. I'm up here working before work. So please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. I would truly appreciate it. We are trying to make this my everyday job. So please do me a favor, do yourself a favor, hit that subscribe button. Guys, I want to thank you guys so much. I hope you guys have an excellent Tuesday. Hope you have, you know, a beautiful beginning, you know, to the start of your week. But I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate you, especially my day ones. You guys are the best. Until next time, it is your man, the son of some man, and we're out, guys. Peace.